I'm cooking a gentle chicken stew today. Quick to prepare, full of lean protein and soft vegetables, and perfect for dogs who need something easy on the stomach. And with Olli added at the end, it becomes a complete and balanced meal. This batch gives you about 1000 kilocalories, but if you want personalized portions or want to scale the recipe, the Drooli app calculates everything for you automatically. So download it if you haven't already. And let's get started. I begin by preparing the chicken. I'm using 360 grams of chicken breast and 90 grams of chicken thighs. I cut both into small, even pieces so they sear quickly and cook through evenly. Using both cuts gives us a nice balance. The breast keeps the recipe lean and easy to digest, while the thigh provides natural fats and support energy and cold health. Next, I chop the liver into small pieces. Some dogs love liver, some aren't so keen on it, so depending on your dog's preference, you can chop accordingly. You can even blend it if you want. Liver is incredibly nutrient dense, so we only need a small amount to make a big nutritional impact. I heat a pot over medium heat and add the chopped chicken breast and thighs. I saute the chicken for a few minutes until the surface turns opaque and then add the chopped liver. Liver cooks quickly, so it only needs a minute or so to blend into the chicken. While the chicken cooks, I prepare the vegetables. I chop the potatoes into small cubes so that they soften faster, then slice the carrots into thin pieces. I chop the broccoli, florets and the stalk. The stalk is completely edible and contains plenty of fiber and micronutrients. Also, we don't want to waste any good food, do we? And broccoli is a fantastic ingredient because it provides antioxidants, fiber and a plant compound called sulforaphane, which supports detoxification and gut health. Once the chicken and liver have cooked through, I add all the chopped vegetables to the pot and stir everything together. Then I pour in enough water to just cover the ingredients and bring it to a gentle boil. As soon as it starts simmering, I turn the heat down slightly and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Because everything is cut small, it softens quickly and becomes beautifully tender. When the vegetables are soft and the potatoes break easily with a spoon, I take the pot off the heat and add the salmon and nutritional yeast. I'm adding salmon because it brings in the natural omega-3 fats and vitamin D, which are helpful for skin, cold, inflammation and cognitive function. And the tiny amount of nutritional yeast adds B vitamins and adds a savory aroma dogs usually love. I let the stew cool down completely before adding Olli. Olli is made from whole food ingredients like spirulina, kelp, seeds and herbs, so the moment I stir it in, the color of the stew shifts to a greenish tint. That catches people off guard the first time, but it's absolutely normal. And dogs don't care about color. Their kibble is brown, some meats are pale pink or dark red. What they care about is smell and texture. And a green stew simply means the good stuff is mixed in properly. Also, adding Olli is essential. Even with high-quality fresh ingredients, home-cooked dog meals naturally fall short in certain nutrients, things like iodine, vitamin D, zinc and manganese. And Olli fills those gaps with one simple scoop, turning a healthy recipe into a truly complete one, so don't skip it. Once Olli is completely mixed in, the stew is ready. You can portion it into containers, refrigerate it for 3 to 4 days or freeze it for later. And that's your quick chicken stew. Nutritious, balanced and perfect for everyday feeding. If you'd like personalized portions and a full nutrient breakdown of this and many other recipes, download our Drooli app.